As a company focused on the research, development, and production of automotive shock absorbers, we consistently uphold innovation and high quality. Through collaboration with top global automotive manufacturers and tuning brands, we have brought our products to all of the world. Please follow the camera as we take you on an in-depth tour of our professional team and precise manufacturing process. I'm really excited to show you where we make all of our shock absorbers, suspension components, composite drive shafts. And where we're standing right now is our CNC department. Here we have several multi-axis machines, as well as a variety of mills and lathes. Process from development. Our manufacturing engineers work closely with the people on the production floor to create the most efficient process as possible. From CNC, our components are brought into our shock assembly area, where they're turned into our finished product. We are known for having the highest quality products. When the spring and damper begin their precise dialogue, every tiny error is eliminated. This is not just assembly, it is the art of achieving harmony between machinery and the road. As we test every single shock that comes off the line that way, we're able to ensure that the internals are working exactly as designed before we move into packaging. Another area where we've built quality into the process is packaging. A unique thing about TI is we manufacture our shock absorbers and all of our suspension components in-house. By having the diverse set of manufacturing capabilities, we're really able to cater to our customers' needs, whether that be with a single component or to a complete system designed to your specification. These meticulously crafted shock absorbers, from the production line to the horizon, ensure that every bump around the world feels the power of TI manufacturing. TI is a global leading supplier of automotive shock absorb solutions.